Running your generator indoors is never an option. Carbon monoxide is an odorless gas that can kill you in minutes. So when you need to run your generator outdoors in bad weather, keep it protected with a Storm Shield generator cover. Installation is simple. Follow along in your manual. To install the clamps to the generator frame, first assemble the clamp parts by connecting the rod, set pin, bolt, and knob as shown. Then determine if you need the rubber sleeve adapters based on the thickness of your frame. If you do, slide the rubber sleeves onto the frame as shown before mounting the clamp. Then install the clamps onto the frame on all four sides at a diagonal away from the center. Position the clamps either 9 inches below the fuel tank or directly beneath the electrical panel, whichever is lower. Tighten the knobs, but don't over-tighten. Then measure your frame. Then reference the guide in your manual to determine the rod adjustment and set the rods to the appropriate space according to the size of your specific unit and secure with the set pins. Next, insert a fiberglass frame rod into the central connector until it stops. Then insert the other end of the rod fully into the correct clamp hole on the corresponding clamp. Repeat this step on opposing rods while holding the central connector steady until all rods are installed and the frame is complete. Next, secure the canopy over the frame and be certain that the fueling door is not on the same side as the generator exhaust. Slide the corner elastic over the corresponding clamp behind the set pin and repeat this step on opposing sides until all 4 corners are secure. Readjust the canopy if needed, ensuring that it is level and the seams generally align with the frame rods. The electrical apron fits over the generator's panel. Simply lift the flap to reveal the Velcro. Center the apron on the panel, secure with the Velcro on all sides, replace the flap, and make sure the apron never blocks the exhaust. Your Storm Shield installation is complete. Recheck the clamps and make sure everything is secure, and always follow the safety guidelines in your installation guide as well as your generator's operation manual.